The 2023 Ford Puma combines sporty design with spirited performance, ready for any adventure. Enjoy the quick clear heated windscreen for instant visibility on frosty mornings, while the sport suspension enhances your driving experience, delivering precise handling and a smooth ride on city streets or winding roads. Step inside to find a premium Sensico wrapped instrument cluster for added comfort and a full digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster for enhanced clarity. Call or visit Hendy Ford Redhill today to schedule your test drive of the 2023 Ford Puma. Speak to our team about paint protection, tyre and wheel protection, and cosmetic repairs for complete peace of mind.